Ayan, so good evening sa lahat guys. At meron po tayong reaction video, no? At ayun, may nakita ako dito. Actually nag-vlog po ito siya, tapos ang content niya is kumanta sa mall. Ayan, dito sa Trinoma. Nag-sample ako sa Trinoma. Ayan yung kanyang title dito, tapos ulat sila sa boses babae. Ayan, at nagawa natin yung reaction video dito. So, kung bago pa po kayo sa aking YouTube channel, please consider to subscribe. Please like and share para ma-update po kayo sa mga ganitong video reaction ng ginagawa ko, no? So, pa-like na lang din. Tingnan mo na yung pag-shock ng mga stop or yung mga sales.
You would still have mine until the end of time. You're all I need, but my Valentine. Is all a shame. You got your family and they need you clean. Though I try to resist being last always, but no other remains gonna do. So I'm saving all for you. My friends try to tell me finally but each time I try and just break down and cry. Is there rather be home feeling good? So I'm saving all my love for you. You used to tell me we run away together. Love gives you the right to be free. You say be patient, just wait a little longer. But that's just an old fantasy. It's time to get ready. Yes, so you think it's small. Don't care that I'm feeling when you walk through the door. Just like it's done. Oh, I'm feeling alright. We'll be making love to hold on through. So I'm saving all my love. Yes, I'm saving all my love. Yes, I'm saving all my love for you. Though I'm the woman is young, I love you more. That's tonight is the night. Oh, we're feeling alright. We'll be making love the whole night through. So I'm saving all my love. Yes, I'm saving all my love. Yes, I'm saving all my love for you.
Grabe, lahat sila yung nakatingin Concert.
Someday you're gonna realize one
Natatawa yun, no? Ano,
day
Bon
you
babae ba?
see through my eyes, but then I won't even be there. I'll be happy somewhere, even if I can. I know you don't really see my face. You think you're the last guy on earth, but I got news for you. No, I'm not that strong, but it won't take long, it won't take long. But someday someone's gonna meet through.
Nakapin.
Wanted you to meet me someday. Someone's gonna take your place. One day I'll forget about you. You see, I won't even miss you someday. Someday. You can tell. I'm done, and I'm not to be fair. One day these things, till we all try, I won't have to
Pinakyaw
cry.
ni
Sweet goodbye. Guess someday someone's gonna love me through.
Manood na lang.
Wanting you to meet me someday. Someone's gonna take your place. One day I'll forget about you. You see, I won't even miss you someday. Someday, someone's gonna love me through. Wanting you to meet me someday. Someone's gonna take your place. One day I'll forget about you. You
Naman lahat
see,
sila talaga na.
I won't even miss you someday.
Actually, mahaba ko pala ito. No? Ayan, so hanggang dulo na ating guys, video, medyo mahaba pa po ito, no? Ayan, hanggang 14 minutes pa yan. At marami siya nag-concert siguro. Nag-concert mga ilang kanta yata yan siya dito, no? At ayun guys, no, maraming salamat sa panonood. At kung gusto niyo mag-comment, comment nyo lang sa singer natin dito. Yan, ating ginawang reaction video dito, si Kaloy Kimada. Ayan, siya po yung sumali rin yan sa tawag ng tanghalan, si Kaloy Kimada. At ayun po, maraming salamat sa panonood. God bless. Don't forget to subscribe, please like and share. Thank you.